Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today we have day 20 of our indoor deep water culture grow. This is our mini bell dwarf tomato plant and it's doing pretty well considering the damages that it sustained a couple days ago. My son, he's only 2 years old, he kind of came in and bent the plant really really well. This thing was completely like limped. I just turned around one moment, left the room, came back, and it looked like this plant was just basically dead. I didn't know what happened, and then I kind of seen my son, running away. He had a little bit of a look to his face, so you put one and one together, you figure it out. So unfortunately, I had to prop this plant up against the back of the trellis over here. But other than that, it's finally bouncing back. It's been a couple of days, I would say. I think he damaged this thing probably 3 days ago, maybe 4 days ago. And so it's been growing in. It has a couple of these damaged leaves that's from the previous time that I showed you guys. Those are kind of drying off right now, but the new growth is doing really well, I think. I'll show you guys in just a quick moment. Let me just take that off right there, and you can see basically the flowers are beginning to open up, so I'm really excited about that. But let's take a look. You can see the new growth right here on the side, looking really healthy, and it's nice and green and exactly like how I want the tomato plant to grow and produce for me. As well as the flowers I'm noticing they're just kind of popping up randomly across the stems over here, and I'm noticing a ton of clusters of flowers everywhere, so you'll just see that a little bit later in the video really soon. So let me just kind of pan back. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And lifting up, you could see the flowers. This is the first day on day 20 that they actually opened up today. So I'm gonna pollinate those. So make sure, since you're growing indoors, you want to pollinate your flowers, guys. So I'm just gonna kind of come in, give it a nice little a little healthy tap right there. Nothing too strong, but just to make sure. And you only do that basically when the flowers are opened up. And it's a good idea to pollinate flowers basically around early in the day, maybe around the afternoon, something like that. Early in the day is always better. And you could see it drank up 1 gallon, so there's 2 gallons left right now. And let's take a look at the root system, see what that's looking like right now. I don't look at the root system until I do these videos, guys, so last time I did it was together with you. So you could see right here it's doing really well, I think. It's looking really white. Wow, it's looking really healthy, I think. And you could see there's nice moisture everywhere, all these little water droplets all over the place, and a ton of air roots, so that's doing really well, I think. Considering the damages that this plant sustained, it's growing pretty well for me considering. You can see right here it's kind of leaning back against the cucumber trellis over here. You can see right there it's a little bit in the way, so I'm gonna have to take care of that a little bit better. And compared to the other plant that's growing right above, it's unbelievable to me, the difference. Look at the flowers right here, guys. This is a typical tomato flower, and the one above is the same plant. However, it's probably not even half of that size. And even the size of the plant, look at it. This plant is about 8 inches tall probably now. This plant is well over 14 inches at this point, maybe 16 inches tall. And since it's leaning back, it's growing a little bit more. And look at all these clusters of flowers growing in everywhere. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait for these things to actually all pollinate and start producing and growing these beautiful little fruits. Absolutely right now, guys. I can't wait. So you can see right here, I'm going to pollinate it a different way. I'll show you guys. If you want to do it like this, you could just kind of tap it. If you don't want to if you're scared to damage the flowers, you could do it like that. You could throw up a fan like this as well, and let the fan kind of take care of the work. So if you liked the episode, guys, please, as always, hit that thumbs up. If you loved the episode, please subscribe, guys, as always. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching.